Here's a popular recipe of mine. It's the chocolate orange mug cake. Seems to go down very popular with people. So first things first, we're going to start off with 6 tablespoons of almond flour. I get this from my local Asian supermarkets. Seems to be a little bit cheaper than most other places. So there's my 6 tablespoons of almond flour. Next thing I'm going to use is the cocoa powder. I use green and blacks. Not full of too many sweeteners or sugar or anything like that, so it doesn't seem to affect my blood sugars too much. And we're going to go for 1 tablespoon and a half. After that, it's time for erythritol. Pinch of salt's next. Baking powder. And then after that, we're going to go for 3 tablespoons of milk. Quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then my secret little ingredient which takes it to the next level is Valencian orange extract. Again, it's sugar free. I get mine from Morrison's. But there's no reason why you couldn't use a peppermint if you like a bit of a dark chocolate mint thing. I like a chocolate orange. It's just like a nice little sweet kick after my dinner. Give it all a stir together. But that's the consistency we're looking for, quite thick. And we'll pop this in the microwave now, about 45 seconds, anything up to a minute and a half, depends on how your flour reacts. I only have a 700 watt microwave, so it's about a minute to a minute and a half. Back in a minute. So after about a minute and 15 seconds, this is the consistency. It's a bit like a chocolate lava cake. It's beautiful, it's sweet, it's hot, it's tasty. It's exactly what you need after a good hearty keto meal. Great with a little bit of whipped cream, just when you need that sugar and fat hit. Enjoy. If you're enjoying these videos and you want to hear more and you want to see more recipes, hit the subscribe button. Please give me a like and send me any comments. Thanks for watching.